In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete a weekly timesheet in QuickBooks Accountant using the browser version. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can record time accurately and keep your payroll or billing on track. To begin, open your web browser and log into your QuickBooks Accountant account. Make sure you have permission to enter time for yourself or your team. If you're not seeing time options, you may need an admin to grant access. Once you're in, look to the top of the page and click the New button. This is your gateway to creating most things in QuickBooks, including time entries. In the New menu, scroll down until you find the Team section. That's where time-related tools live. Click Weekly Timesheet to open the weekly view designed for entering hours day by day. At the top of the timesheet, choose the employee or contractor whose time you're recording. Contractors can be tracked here too, which is helpful if you bill clients for their hours. Next, use the date picker to select the correct week. Double-check the start and end dates so your hours land in the right pay period or billing cycle. Now enter the hours worked for each day in the appropriate fields. If your firm uses customers, projects, or service items, you may see columns to assign time to a specific job or task. If there's a billable checkbox, use it only when those hours will be invoiced to a client. Consistency here makes reporting and billing far smoother later. Use the Notes or Description field to add any details your reviewer or payroll team will need. Keep notes clear and specific. Think short task summaries, locations, or key milestones. This is especially useful if multiple projects or rates are involved. Before you wrap up, take a moment to review everything. Confirm the correct person is selected, the week is accurate, daily totals make sense, and any required fields are filled in. Watch for common mistakes like placing hours on the wrong day or duplicating entries. When you're confident in your entries, click Save to store the timesheet. Saving is great if you plan to come back later to add more hours or make edits. After a final check, click Submit to finalize the weekly timesheet. Submitting signals that your time is ready for review, approval, or payroll, depending on your firm's workflow. That's it. Your weekly timesheet is complete and properly recorded. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.